Kyle Ford, you got your grown man on out here, man, at the opening finals here in Frisco, Texas. Our grown man MVP, wide receiver MVP from this whole tournament. How does it feel to come out here and know that you could dominate like you did?
Honestly, it was huge for me. I mean, but then again, I play in the training league. I mean, you go against that every week. So I feel like I came out here and I just played to my abilities and trusted my work that I put in, and it kind of showed a little bit. So I was really fortunate.
You had a lot of touchdowns out here, man. Did you keep track?
Honestly, I feel like I tried to, and then I just lost it. But I mean, that's a good thing, though.
You're uncommitted right now. Who are some of those top schools on your list?
Honestly, I really like Oregon, Colorado, USC, UCLA, Ohio State, Michigan. Those are some of them, but all the doors are open.
Any schools that haven't offered that you would definitely consider an offer from?
Honestly, I feel like Oklahoma a little bit, but I feel like they're really big on receivers right now, so probably not anymore. But honestly, I feel like I got a couple that I want. I mean, if they slide in, that happens. If I happen to like them, that's just how it's going to go, I guess.
Well, Kyle Ford got his grown man on out here at the opening finals with the best players in the nation. Our grown man, wide receiver MVP.
Get your grown man on.